Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗙𝗏𝗘𝗘 guys. Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be special. I'm going to clear all the questions you have asked me, all the rumors, all the misconceptions you guys have. I have got a lot of messages and comments over the last 2 weeks that has something changed in PT? Will it be difficult for the students to get the scores now? Can we use the template in essay? Can we actually use the template in describe image and retell lecture? So I thought I will go for the test and try and see if everything is working or not. I took the test yesterday, 29th of September in Parramatta here in Sydney. I have got the results this morning. These are my results. By the grace of God, I've got 90 each this time as well. This is my 11th time 90 overall. Now, what was the purpose of taking the test? To test a few things. Can you use templates in describe image and retell lecture? Can you use templates in essay? Can you add extra words in write from dictation? Can you use summarize spoken text templates? Will it be difficult to score in reading? Another thing, has the format changed? Some of the students were commenting that will we get more questions now or less questions now, or will we have less time? So this was the main aim that I wanted to check out. Has the format changed and can you still use the templates? First of all, let's talk about the format. How many questions I got? I got 7 read alouds, around 11 repeat sentences, 4 describe images, 2 retell lectures, 6 answer short questions, right? Which is pretty much normal. That's what I've been telling you always. You can get 6 to 7 read alouds, 10 to 12 repeat sentences, 3 or 4 describe image, 1 or 2 retell lectures. I got 2 summarized written text and 1 essay. It's clearly mentioned in PT's guideline that you can get 1 or 2 summarized written text and 1 or 2 essay. So if you get 2 essays in the test, it doesn't really mean that something has changed. But I got 1 essay and 2 summarized written text. Then reading, I got 15 questions, 6 reading and writing blanks, 1 MCQ multiple, 2 reorder paragraphs, 5 drag and drop blanks, and 1 MCQ single answer. Then listening was pretty short for me. I got 1 summarized spoken text. Then I got 1 MCQ multiple answer, 2 or 3 listening fill in the 3 listening fill in the blanks, 1 highlight correct summary, 1 select missing word, 1 MCQ single answer, 2 highlight incorrect words, and 3 write from dictations. I had around 15 minutes for listening plus 10 minutes for summarize spoken text. So this was the format. Nothing has changed when it comes to the format, and many students I have asked who have taken the exam in last 2 to 3 weeks got pretty much the similar format. So nothing has changed when it comes to the format. Now what I did in each and every task, I used one line strategy in read aloud, because I keep on getting this comment from a lot of you that can we still use one line strategy. I used one line strategy in read aloud. I used template in describe image and retell lecture, and I only use single word keywords. I did not take long phrases, right? Repeat sentences, I focused on repeating 60 to 70% and then saying and I'm very happy. Summarize written text, I did the same thing, 3 to 4 sentences, connected them using connectors. Essay, use the same template which I have provided you, version 1.2. I'll attach the link in the description box as well, and I've got 19 writing as well. A lot of you were confused. Can we still get scores with the template? Yes, you can. This is the score and this is the proof. I don't really want to confuse you guys. My only aim is to make sure, unless and until I have not tested something, I don't get that information to you guys, right? Very important. I test something by myself and then tell you what you have to do. Reading was okay-ish. I won't say it was very difficult or very easy as well. It was normal. 1 or 2 questions were difficult, and what I focused on both the reading blanks and reorders as well, and I also focused that I don't waste a lot of time. You have to make sure you use the rules, you focus on context. If you understand the context, 100% you can crack your reading module as well. It was not difficult, don't worry much about it. It's not that you'll get 2 long passages. Yes, you can get a mix and match, but it was always the case. It's not something new. And then listening, summarize spoken text, I used the template, wrote around 65-67 words. There were few words which I was not sure how to write. I did not wrote those words. I have always told you, any word you're not sure, you skip it. Listening blanks, I was confident about spellings. Highlight incorrect words was normal speed. MCQ multiple, in listening I only selected one option. In reading as well, I only selected one option. I always tell you, only select one option you are sure about. You can still get 90, and I've got 90 this time as well. Right from dictation, I added extra words just to check if you can add extra words or not, and if you add extra words, do you lose any points in writing or anywhere else? No, even if you add extra words, you do not lose any points. But remember this thing, in listening, time management can be a challenge, so don't just keep on adding extra words for no reason. Wherever you have doubt, do add extra words, but don't just waste your time on adding extra words. This is what you have to do. You have to keep it simple. Nothing has changed. You can use the templates. PT is not a joke that they will come every day and change something. Next week they'll change something, right? If it's $1 billion organization, and if they have to change something, if they have to change the format, if they have to make some significant changes, they have to announce it first. Let's say if I'm a test taker, if I go for the test, it's not that PT will give me something which they have not even mentioned in their preparation guide. So don't just focus on rumors. Don't focus on news which is not legit. Focus on hard work. That is something which will get you across the line, right? You have to focus on hard work. You have to understand the marking criteria. You need to understand what is important and what is not. And if I have got 90 11th time, you can do it as well. I'm not something or someone who has a very deep knowledge about language or something. What I have focused on understanding the format of the test, understanding what the computer is after, providing the computer whatever the computer is looking for, and getting a perfect score every time I go for the test. If I have done it, you can do it as well. Focus on hard work. Don't focus on rumors. Nothing has changed. Practice as much as you can and you'll be 100% fine. If you do have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. If the video was helpful, do like, share and subscribe. If you need any help, we have branches in India, Australia and Nepal. These are our numbers, and we do offer online classes as well. Last, I request you, before you go for the test, make sure you take a full scored mock test on languageacademy.com.au. One mock test is available for free. This will give you a clear idea of where you stand and what you need to work on. Lastly, remember this thing, my only aim is to make sure you don't waste your time and money and you get your desired scores in the shortest period of time. And if you ever get your desired scores watching my videos, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. To download the practice app, we have got a mobile practice app as well. You can just search LA PT exam practice app and start practicing over there as well. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe, and go on languageacademy.com.au and crack your PT test in the very first go.